Hello, my name is Marcus Jones from OKRAdvisory.com. The question I'd like to answer today is something that we are asked a lot by clients and potential clients alike, which is what are the current trends we're seeing within OKR implementations? The 3 points that I'll quickly mention today all relate to the same thing, which is that in general, people are starting to realize that less is more within this methodology. So the first thing I thought I'd mention is we're seeing more frequently businesses reluctant to extend OKRs down to an individual level, concentrating on getting their corporate or company level and team/business unit level OKRs correct. By extending them to individual level, the overhead becomes significantly higher. The second point is that we're actually seeing fewer OKRs as well. So companies are comfortable now with perhaps even only one OKR, one objective per cycle, and this supported by one or two key results. And the third point is a generalization of walk before you can run is actually becoming more like crawl before you can walk, before you can run. There's a general acceptance that taking this slowly and implementing it well pays dividends in the long run.